Hey everyone, today we are gonna make this beautiful flower design in Adobe Illustrator. Select Star tool and make a star. At the point value fill 26. Select width and color and make it bigger. Select direct selection tool and make the point round something like this. Make a copy Ctrl+C of this star layer and paste Ctrl+F it in front of the layer and make it smaller. Now fill the both layers with gradients. Now select the both layers and double click the blend tool. Select specified steps option and fill the value 100 steps and press OK, and it will blend the both layers and give the effects something like this. Select the layer and go to Distort and Transform options. Under the effects menu, select clutter and both options. Click on the preview box and minus the value of 23%. Now select the roughness option again under the effects menu. And change the values something like this. Select the smooth point default at 0 value and increase for size 37% and press OK, and there you go.